Hi everyone, my name is Adeenah Khan and I'll be guiding you through your journey in IGCSE Physics and through this Learner's A-Star program. You need to remember that IGCSE Physics actually contains a broad list of topics and you need to be able to learn them, revise the main concepts, practice questions, and the journey is actually going to be 100% worth it at the end. So you need to be very, very thorough with your revisions. You need to be consistent and, more importantly, enjoy the subject. To begin with, where is the area of the most concern? The students actually begin the study of the topic without actually looking at the syllabus. So you need to identify what the syllabus is, what is the main topic you need to go through, look at specimen papers, look at past papers and marking schemes once you are thorough with your concepts, and look at the learner guides, any endorsed resources, your textbooks. And all of those resources are truly important for you to achieve that A star. Moving on, the main aims. Now, the IGCSE physics syllabus wants you to acquire scientific knowledge, experimental skills, able to identify the different variables which are independent, dependent, and control, know how to use your equipment and work safely while you are doing your practical or practicing your practical skills, use the scientific data and evidence to solve problems, understand and use the scientific terminology, notation, and conventions, apply that scientific knowledge in real life and in the questions, the past paper questions that you are going to answer. And after IGCSE physics, you have scored a grade that you expected and you worked hard to achieve and you enjoyed the subject. You can identify that you will take this subject for further study, or you will want to take this subject for further study. That will be at the end of the course, but through the course, I promise you that you are going to have a blast. Content overview. So you're going to be having six main topics, which are actually further divided into smaller subtopics. Topic one is motion, forces, and energy. Topic two is thermal physics. Topic three are waves. Topic four is electricity and magnetism. And topic five is nuclear physics. And the last topic is a newly added topic, which is space physics. Now, basically, you're going to be having two types of assessments, extended and core. But most of us are going to be in the extended section. If you do score a grade that was below your expected grade or your predicted grade, you might be put into core. But that is a very less likely chance of the students who are mostly going to achieve the grade D and below. So we all are going to work hard and aim to remain in the extended and give the extended assessment, and most importantly have a grade of A and A star. Okay, we're going to have three most important papers, which are paper 2, which is a MCQ paper, paper 4, which is a structured paper, and paper 6, which is an alternative to practical paper. In paper 2, you're going to have a 40-mark paper, okay, with a 30% weightage, 45 minutes. So you need to have 1 minute for each question and 5 minutes for review. Structured paper is 80 marks with 1 hour 15 minutes. So you need to make sure you're going to manage your time really well. And paper 6 is going to be 40 marks for 1 hour. The weightage of paper 4 is 50% and paper 6 is 20%. Remember, paper 6 is based on your experimental skills. So all of the experiments that you will be doing in the lab, you have to have the knowledge of those experiments as well. What are the main tips for success? Make sure you understand the concepts of your theoretical knowledge along with your practical knowledge before you go on memorizing paragraphs and paragraphs. Secondly, try to apply that knowledge in past papers, including applying practical knowledge in paper 6 past papers. Do not neglect practicals because you think they are easy, because they are not easy. They do require effort from day one. If you have the skills, you are going to ace them. Practice textbook exercises. Of course, textbook has the main points. Textbook, syllabus, all of these have the main points, but you need to be able to identify the ones that are matching the syllabus. Practice the textbook exercises to make sure that your concept is clear and is thorough. Now, you should not only be limited to the textbook, you can try using other websites such as Znotes, Save My Exams, Physics and Maths Tutor, Okay, so you can use a range of websites. The physics and maths teacher flashcards are very helpful. Save My Exams have nice diagrams, and Z Notes is a overall revision you can do once you have completed studying your entire course. Now, the last one is really, really, really significant, and that is to practice a minimum of 5 years past paper. Now, many of us neglect doing past papers, and because we don't do past papers, we cannot identify the pattern of questions that can come or the type of questions that can come. So, practicing past papers actually is a two-in-one achievement. First of all, you can identify the different types of questions that are repeated or the patterns that are repeated. Secondly, you can actually revise your concepts as you do so. So work hard, dream big, and until you begin, you will feel like it's impossible. I promise you, you are going to enjoy your journey and you are going to do very, very well. We are going to work together to help you guys and achieve and allow you to embrace your full potential. Thank you so much.